So here we have these ELEGRP electrical sockets. The ones I have here are a matte black, and there's also other options you can choose from. You can also choose to get it with or without a cover plate. Here's what the back looks like. There's a grounding screw and then 2 of each of the other screws. And each one of those screws also has a push connect fitting, and the fittings are the kind that some electricians recommend against. So if you don't want to use those, then there's always the screws. And the screws are separate from the push connect fittings, as in they don't lock them down. Anyway, if you are going to use those push connect fittings, then it has a wire stripping gauge. And for the push connect fittings, you're only supposed to use solid 14 gauge wire. Now, I use these all around my house, and after a little bit of difficulty installing them, they look really nice. They have a really nice, sleek, modern design. I really like the matte black. The screwless covers are really nice as well. Let me take one off for you. They can be a bit difficult to get off, especially if you don't have the right screwdriver. You just need a small flathead, and then you can either twist it or pry it off. There's this additional plate that's behind the cover that clips it in. Of course, it's just screwed to the outlet, perfectly lines it up, and when you're putting it back on, it just snaps back into place. So yeah, I'm really happy with the look of these outlets. They are a bit difficult to install if you're not using the push connections, but once they're installed, they look great and they function like normal, so overall, I'm pretty happy with them.